Hello and welcome to Atlantic Video View and our shots of the 8F charter at our recent October steam event. You had to be out of bed early for this one because immediately on arrival was our first run past. Here is the 8F, towing the Class 24 and banked by the Jinty. This is certainly the longest freight that's ever been seen on the East Lancashire Railway, and probably the longest freight in preservation. With some atrocious weather, the locomotive and train appear from a cloud of steam and make a superb run past through that pouring rain. Jinty makes an equally impressive return down to Burgh Station, ready for the last run past. see our last run through here in Touch Hill Cutting. Cameras move northwards to Horncliffe.
So here at Horncliffe you can see the works that were undertaken by the Environment Agency several years ago, and you can see the stonework which is in the river, which is sort of half full at the moment. You can also see the stonework which was underneath the railway line and actually saved the railway line from being eroded away. So that is great thanks to the Environment Agency.
The recent rainy weather has also caused the trees to collapse, and to prevent undermining the road, they are taken down. Around here at Horncliffe you will see these blue cowlings over the monitoring boreholes. These are for the Haweswater Aqueduct, which is due to arrive in Bury. The 8F was taken off at Ramsbottom, but once again Jinty makes a superb sight over Horncliffe. You have been watching an Atlantic video view of the East Lancashire Railway in Bury.